In this video, I will guide you how to withdraw your DOGS airdrop to an on-chain wallet like Tonkeeper. You need some Toncoin to cover the gas fee for withdrawal. Ensure you have linked the same Tonkeeper wallet that was connected to a DOGS minimap. This will redirect you to the withdrawal page. On your Telegram app, click the Claim DOGS button. This will open the Token Table app where you can claim your tokens. Click Connect Wallet and select Tonkeeper. Ensure you are using the same wallet linked to your DOGS minimap. After connecting your wallet, you will see the available DOGS tokens. Click Claim Now to proceed. A contract call will require Toncoin to cover the gas fee. Slide the authorization button to confirm the transaction. The withdrawal will process and the token will appear in your Tonkeeper wallet. You can check the History tab on Token Table to track the claim status. Now, open your Tonkeeper app and your DOGS tokens should now be available. That's it. You have successfully withdrawn your DOGS airdrop to your Tonkeeper wallet. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.